Ni hao, and welcome to a Beijing travel guide. Today we'll peek into the now completed Touch the Deep Ocean exhibition that was happening at the rarely open Phoenix International Media Center. Be sure to subscribe now to keep up to date with other exhibitions and happenings in Beijing. Adult tickets were 88 RMB or 158 RMB with the VR experience we chose. The exhibition had a mix of English and Chinese descriptions for the bigger boards, but was mostly in Chinese. It started with a sample of life at the different depths as you descend to the ocean floor. I particularly liked this one, which seemed to have the sole of a shoe attached to its body. And this one here that looked like something out of a horror film. From grumpy blobs to woodlouse-like creatures. After leaving this museum-like section, there are a couple art exhibitions coming up, starting with this giant octopus. Next, a mirrored digital media room. And within here, a thought-provoking experience. Continuing on, we saw a massive sea monster before leaving the exhibition part and entering the VR experience. Whilst the VR experience was only in Chinese, it was a lot of fun and probably the only way I'm going to explore the depths of the ocean and experience a shark attack. Finishing off, there were some activities for kids and big kids alike. after which we explored the building that hosted the exhibition, a building I've been past many times in my 8 years in Beijing and never known its purpose or seen anyone come in or out. After a couple hours exploring the exhibition and building, we were hungry. We probably should have gone for fish, but instead we went for something that just bobs along the top of the water. Duck. Not Beijing duck, but one that we'll peek into more next time. So subscribe, like, and share these recommendations with your travel buddies.